What's going on, everybody? The winds of change here. Thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to be doing some retail arbitrage, which basically means we're going to be going into a retail store, in this case TJ Maxx, finding things that we can buy in store and then resell for a higher price online. In this case, Amazon. Typically do FBA, which is where we send it in to Amazon. They store it and then ship it from their warehouse. But we're always open to eBay and doing FBM and that kind of stuff as well. I'm going to be using an app today called Profitl. Now you can check that out in the description down below. There's a link for that, as well as some discount codes to find the profits of these items, to find how many sell a month, and just a lot of other information that makes it pretty easy to make buying decisions. So let's go in here, let's see what we got and see if we can't come out with anything good. All right, so the first place we're going to look is we're going to stop over here and check out the health and beauty. I typically stick to the same kinds of items to start with. Health and beauty, and then we'll check out some shoes, and then some toys and makeup and stuff like that. So I typically stick to the same categories, but I'm always looking to see if we can't find something new. That didn't even come up. Let's see. Alright, so this actually, okay, so look at this. $6.99. It's right here. Designworks Fall Leaves. No, that's a different one though. Birmingham Lemon Basil. We're gonna leave that one there. We could take a picture of it like this with the Amazon app. Let's see if it comes up. Yeah, so we did right here. So $16.80 is what it's selling for, going for $7. It's not going to be that great. Well, here's some number 7 here. It's got the barcode covered up. That one's got the barcode covered up too. So Profitl will use when we can see the barcode, but since the barcode's taken up, we're just going to do this. It doesn't really come up with anything. Okay, there we go. Hydroluminous, 1.69 ounces. No, this is only 0.4 fluid ounces, but it's $16.90 for the bigger one. So I'm going to guess that this is probably not really worth how much when we get to it. There's always just so much different kinds of things to check that you could spend literally you could spend like all day in here trying to find things. See if we can get the barcode. There we go. Alright, so let's see what comes up here. Our sale price $8.75, and we're gonna pay $5 for it. We have to reset the cost from what I was doing last time. So yeah, we would lose money on that. So we're not gonna get that one. Here's some more number 7s over here. Let's see what these are. Scan. So these are $5 and they're selling for $9.99, $5.63 a month. Nope, still not good enough. We're gonna be losing money on those. Typical rule of thumb, you want to get something that sells for maybe like 3 times or 2.5 times the amount. And this one's got some stuff blocking it. There we go. Let's try the Amazon app. $9.95. Nope, no good on that either. So here's one, Dr. Foot Heel Balm. So it's going to be $5, and it's going to sell 53,000 selling rate. That's really good, and we're going to make $2.50 on it. So we can pull up the data here. So let's see.
Oh yeah, I used to really like it.
Yeah, we're doing 5, $13.78. So it's like $1.06. That's because Profitl has these different referral fees like that. So it's got like the cost to ship in and the storage fees as well. So it's a little bit different than what the actual Amazon app is, but you can customize all this stuff. Looks like it sells 111 a month though, which is pretty good. There's 18 FBA and 3 FBM. So it depends on how you wanted to do this. You could probably make a couple bucks off those. So, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 of them. So like $8 right there. So these I think might be pretty decent. Let's see if we can get it to pull up. It doesn't have a barcode like on it. Let's see, $12.90, $5. Yeah, like $1.86. These used to go for a lot more. So just because something has went well in the past, it doesn't mean that it is going to go well all the time. Let's try the bigger jar here. Well, that doesn't exist with the barcode, so let's see if we can't get it like this. Pack of 3. No, not really anything. $6.99 selling for $17.80. Nope. $13 going for $5. Yep, like 86 cents. Not really worth it there either. But this is basically what we do. We come out here, we look at all this different stuff, and we see what's going to sell, what's not going to sell. You don't always get winners. Sometimes you don't find anything. Sometimes you find home runs. Also, TJ Maxx has raised their prices over the years as well. Everything's at least a few more dollars. They started locking up some of their stuff as well here. So the combination of TJ Maxx raising the prices, and then also like just Amazon in general putting a lot of blocks on certain brands. They make them what they call like high-end beauty or something, like bare minerals. You can't even apply to sell them anymore, which sort of sucks. Okay, yeah. So let's see, Mac Beauty Ruby Woo 707. 3 GM, 3 grams, $24.75. We're paying $9 for it, so that's going to be about $8. That's actually really good. So let's see, just to verify about how many a month these sell. So $27.99. We're going to pay $9 for it. So yeah, we're going to make $9.30 with 516 sales a month. That is pretty awesome. I'll definitely do that. Now, the thing with this is that it's hot outside right now. It's the middle of summer, so we may hold on to these until it cools down a little bit. Profitl, you can do things like check the sold listings on eBay as well if things aren't picking up on Amazon. It'll tell you right here if it's an IP risk, if the brand is on it, if Amazon's on it, how many are FBA, how many are FBM. You can view the stock data of them. Right here to tell you, so Quick Supplies has 8, Crab Girl has 5, and what they're listing for. So right now, Cosmetics Life actually has it for $27.99 FBM. Wow, so it looks like they're actually going for lower than that. But even at a few dollars off, we're still going to make between 5 and 9 on these. So I'm going to go ahead and pick these up. So here's this here, these little Sephora lip sleeping masks, tiny little guys. Don't be afraid to look at little stuff. 15 reviews. 226,000 beauty, which is a little high, but $4 and you'd make $250 off of it. So not amazing, but also pretty high seller rank for health and beauty. Wouldn't be mad at a pickup like this, but I'm going to leave it. $840,000 seller rank, but $31.99 or $69, not even worth it if they had a good seller rank. We're going to check out the shoes, but they typically, like, they don't ever keep their shoes in boxes, so unless you're going to do eBay or something, it's really not, I mean, worth it to do on Amazon, I don't think. So what I'm going to do is check out the slides, because sometimes you can get some pretty good Crocs or even like some Hey Dudes here. So we're going to check out some of these Crocs and see if any of these are worth getting. $16.99 for these ones. Nope, selling for $22.99. That's a no-go. Got some different kind up here though. Nope, those are $24.99. The Reeboks, these look like they're on sale. I don't find the barcode anywhere. Can't really find the barcode anywhere on those. $12 for these Pumas. Nope, $13.99. Ooh, $10 for these. Let's see. Nope, nothing on that. Here's some more down here. $13. Now I got too high of a seller rank, so not looking good right there. The regular Crocs they want $30 for, which is crazy. But you can really check out anything, like socks. They got all kinds of socks. You can scan all the socks. I mean, you could literally look at every single thing in here and come out with a bunch probably. All right, so that's it. That's how you do it. So we didn't find a whole bunch of stuff here. I got a couple of the lipsticks. Make about you know, $17, $18, $19, just depending on how much we sell them for. But I hope you got a good idea of what retail arbitrage is like, some things to look for, some tips along the way. Let me know down in the comments below the sections you look for. Hey, maybe I missed something that you saw and you're like, I can't believe you missed that. Let me know about that. Always good to share ideas. Don't forget to sub to the channel, like the video, take it easy, and until next time, I'll catch you all later.